Today we're gonna be hanging a bracket for a shelf bracket, which is in a closet. So what you want to do is you want to find out where your studs are. So if you look up top, maybe if you have other stuff in your closet, you have a support there for your upper shelf, and you can follow that down a straight line. You should have a stud right there. Stud should be every 16 inches on center. So if you find one stud, you should be able to measure 16 inches from that one to the next one. And there should be another stud there. So what we're going to do is take our level. And we're going to run it. That screw right there. Make sure it's level. And that means our stud should be right about here. Tiny marking them all there. Okay. And there is going to be our okay, and then you just want to make sure your little brackets are the same distance. So once you get one in, I think I'm just going to do it right above this molding here. Once you get one in, then you just measure 16 inches from that one over to your next stud, and there should be a stud there as well. So now I'm going to center it over that dot that I made, and then we can just screw it in. Okay, so I got my little hole, or little dimple I made in the wall. Sorry, I'm pretty sore from the workout the other day. Alright, there's our dimple, and we're going to center this kind of over that. And these brackets, just get one screw in before you worry about getting it level. If you try and do it while you're leveling, it might be a little bit more difficult. So I'm just going to basically screw the top one in here and then worry about trying to get it level here, because you got a fulcrum or you got a little spot for it to turn around on. So sometimes magnetic screws are good, sometimes not the screwdriver. Anyways, alright, here we go. Hopefully find our stud here soon, and then finish drilling that in. There we go. Nice and solid. Okay, so now that you have the one in the top there, it's pretty much going to self-level off of there, but we're going to make sure we get it right. Put in our, it's not right.
Do you want to do this or no?
That's fine. Alright, right there looks pretty golden, so we're going to get started by just pushing our screw into the sheetrock as far as we can go. And I didn't pre-drill these these holes into the wood here, but I don't think it's really necessary. Okay, it makes it a little easier, but jump around on me. turn to the right a little bit. But that's all right. Oh, awesome! Awesomeness! Okay, that's what we didn't want to happen. That's just gravy. Okay, so we got an 8-foot run. I might have to bump this up a little bit. Maybe, well, now I don't have enough screws. So, that's kind of how you do it. If your screw doesn't break, that's extra great. Look at that. So, make sure you get some good screws. These aren't the ones I was normally going to use, but these are all I had, so I'm probably just going to get some, like, decking screws or something like that. Alright, my friends. Alright, so you got that one in after that nice little fiasco with the broken screw. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. And if your walls are right, we should have another stud. 16 inches on center means the center of the stud to the center of the next stud should be 16 inches away. So it should be, because that's where it should be. So I checked up top, and there appears to be another screw up there. So this time we're going to have to get it 16 inches apart, as well as getting it level. So there's our 16 right here. And then it also has to be level on top. So perfect. Okay, so try to lock that in. Get our screw here, and we're using. Maybe I should use a little bit longer. This is 2-inch screw. I think I'm going to go with. Well, it seems like. Let's just go with the 2-inch screw there. Should be alright. So we're going through about here, and same as before. I'll get this one in there, and then I'll make it vertical from the side there. Stud there. Okay. And now, so make that level. I guess I don't need a 20-foot level here, do I? But right about that's where we want it. Okay, it might move a little bit when you screw a screw in. Sometimes you gotta live with that a little bit off. It's difficult to get exactly perfect every time, but do your best. Okay. There is that. So we got 2 in. Check for pretty level there, and should be fairly sturdy. Alright, so I'm just going to put 2 more in on the other side and call it good, but that's the general idea with these bracket shelves. And I'll show you the final result here, how to get these things in here. But basically they have this part right here that sits on there. And it's cool because you can just adjust it out to different heights that you want and stuff. So kind of a neat thing here. And they're fairly sturdy. They can hold quite a bit of weight. So Thanks for watching. I'll be back in a little bit to show you the final result here. Alright, so we got 4 of these guys in finally. And just show you how to put these in here real quick. They're super easy. Just find your notch. Now it's going to be difficult after I said that. Just kind of pop it in there. What you want is to make sure that all the notches in the middle and the top are actually in the holes here. Just get the top one in a little bit, and then it just kind of pops down there like that. They'll wobble back and forth a little bit when you get the shelf on, though. They'll be where you want them to be. So, got all those on right here. We're gonna go ahead and put the shelf on now. Okay, so you want to make sure there's a little hook here in the back, and this round part will go into that hook. But also, before you get that in, you want to you want this all the way to the back, or just kind of middle? So we got a side part over here. You want a little bit for the dress to go there, like that, right?
Yep.
Okay, so make sure these front parts are down, and they'll go into that as you slide it forward. So these are going to go into a space right here. So kind of just push this once I have a space like that. These are going to stick through a little bit. That's going to go right up on there. And once they're on there, just pop them forward into that spot like that. And they rest right there on the shelf. There you go. So these, make sure these go through first. Push them back up onto here, and then pull it forward onto those, and that's going to hold it in place. So let's get the whole deal here. And there we go. We're going to put some bins on there and show you how it looks. Okay, so we just needed a place to put our ton of photo albums, and these weigh quite a bit, but these shelves are fairly sturdy, so I basically stood on one of those things, so they're definitely pretty strong. So we had some space underneath their closet, or not underneath the closet, but under the clothes in the closet, and this was a nice little way to do it, and we can still have room underneath. And obviously these shelves are adjustable too, so we can adjust that. And also here on this other side we have 3 rows of this, or actually 4 shelves, and we put the little bins in there for clothes and stuff. So actually you can hold a lot of different things here, and it's pretty good. So thanks for watching this video, everyone. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.